Hello, my name is Dr. Navin, HETTIARACCHI. I want to personally welcome you to the Sacred Systems, which is about activating your health codes. Out of my past 25-year career, for 17 years, I was the Director of Health, Wellness, and Performance with the Washington Wizards NBA basketball team in Washington, D.C., where I had the unique opportunity to really connect the dots with athletes, find the root cause of the injury, also at the same time really maximize saying the athletes on court, off the court performance. Performance as in, are they sleeping better? Are they recovering faster? If there was an injury, are they coming back from the injury faster than anyone else? And one of the ways that I really did that was really figuring out the thumbprint, because you got a different thumbprint, your family members got a different thumbprint, I got a different thumbprint. So I really individualized that person's thumbprint and really seeked out, are we doing the best treatment care? Are we eating the best thing that he or she can do? Are we sleeping the best position? Are we walking the best way? Are we thinking the best thoughts to unlock the potential? So in this sacred system, that is what I'm going to share with you. I'm going to share with you how these elite athletes, what I did for these elite, not only elite athletes, to these coaches, the staff members, for myself, to activate, to find the little things that will give us the big value, or what big values that we need to look at, what little things. So that's one of the things that I will be sharing with you, what and how I did it in the NBA. During my 17 years with the Washington Wizards, for 8 years during that time, along with that, I worked for Washington Mystics WNBA basketball team, where I took care of women's basketball players, professional women's basketball players. I was the head athletic trainer and head strength and conditioning coach, where I got to work with sports medicine, well as performance on the weight room, on and off the court. Prior to that, I was in a clinic in Washington, D.C., where I got to work in a clinical setting, from an 8-year-old gymnast to a 91-year-old, where they went from the walker, wheelchair to walker to cane to walking without needing anything. So that was really a great experience that I share with you more. There in the clinic, I got to work with celebrities, politicians, musicians, all that they were looking for to get better. They were looking to find a different solution that they have been getting from anywhere else. This course will take you back to the basic fundamentals of life and thriving, which is sleep, nutrition, mindfulness, and movement. And when you understand this 4 basic pillars, also really understand how you can customize to you for your own needs. That is the key. That is the secret to success, to feel abundance, feel joy, and have incredible performance in your life. With the amazing success that I have had with treating and working with musicians, politicians, celebrities, and A-level athletes, and I saw so many patterns of why people got hurt, what are they lacking, and why they're getting faster, healing faster, feeling great. I saw so many patterns. Through all these patterns, I developed a method that I'm going to share with you and teach you. It's called REDT Method. It's REDT Method. R stands for root cause, E stands for evaluation, D stands for design, and T stands for transformation. We're gonna transform you. We're gonna change you. That no longer exists. What happened before, what happened consistently, we are going to change it. We're gonna eliminate it. One of the ways that I came to REDT Method is I looked up through different lenses, 13 different lenses. For example, if you went to a physio or chiropractor or internal medicine doctor, they're looking through one lens. One patient, one lens, right? Where I looked at that one patient through multiple different lenses. Acupuncture, osteopathic, quantum healing, nutrition, functional medicine. that is what I learned, and that is how I look at a patient. So I want to teach you and give you all the tools about the REDT method, so you will see the root cause, you will know how to evaluate, you will know how to design, and you will know how to transform from that injury or the feeling that you have. Inside the school community, you will have access to everything that you need. You will have full access to the Sacred System course, worksheet to apply lessons to your life, full support from Jazz, full support from me, space where you can ask questions, share your wins, and stay accountable. During my time with the NBA, with the 15 athletes in each team, I worked with 15 millionaires. But with the Navin Health and the Sacred System, I want to impact 15 million lives worldwide. In this program, you will be embracing on a transformation journey through 4 pillars: food, nutrition, sleep, mindfulness, and movement. I really want to give you all the tools. I want to empower you with all the knowledge for you to be the CEO, for you to take control of your own life, own health and well-being. I want you to feel amazing. I want you to have a sense of clarity, sense of new life, sense of vitality. I want to help you have so much joy in your life. And I'm so honored that you pick me as the guide for your journey. I can't wait to work with you. I cannot wait to begin. I cannot wait to go on this